Hi, in this video we're going to show how to change the battery on a Somfy desktop remote. Here are the things that you're going to need. 2 screwdrivers, 1 Phillips and 1 flathead, and also the replacement battery, which is CR2450. Okay, once you have all the things that you know, the next thing you're going to do is going to remove 2 screws that are on the back side or on the bottom side of the remote. They're Phillips screws. So you go ahead and just turn that until it becomes loose, and you can come out like that. Same thing goes with this. Once you're done, you're just going to pull this off, and it's going to reveal the remote itself. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is just pull this off right here, place all this off to the side so you can have room to work. You're going to need the next screwdriver, which is this flathead, and you're going to gently press down right here, just loosening it. Okay, you do the same thing on the other side. Turn that around, press again gently. Okay, so the trick here is to make sure that on all 4 sides it's already dislodged, and carefully you're going to just pull it off. Okay, now you got to be careful which side is the top side, because you're going to need to know that later. So put the top that direction, and this also tells you which direction it is. If you could see right there, it says up, right? Take your flathead once again, pull this off, and right here is the battery. You're going to go ahead and just push this through. I'm going to remove that. You get your other battery. Okay, with the plus symbol towards the top. Put that back in. Turn this around. Make sure the antenna goes through there. I'm just going to place that down right. Seat it back where it was at before. You may press a button and hopefully none of your shades move while you're doing this. And if they do, well, you can then start to control them. Okay, again, as I mentioned to you, this is the up position. This, you'll have to press and hold right here. And you see that's the top. Now you're going to have to gently line those up again, just like the way it came off. Okay, you may need to guide it with this. Press down gently. The same thing. Snap, snap. There you go. Now that's done. We'll remove this. Don't need these things anymore. All right. Place this here like it was before. Okay, let's just go somewhere like so. Put that back on. Put these in here. And go ahead and tighten once back up again. Don't over tighten, just as soon as they're tight. That's fine. Okay, all right. And then you can see that your remote is working, because if you press buttons now, you'll have it light up. Okay, and that's all you need to do. All right, well, thank you.